I'm breaking down the best AI tools to make money online if you're new to making money online with AI and which tools to start with. So let me save you a lot of time because right now there are hundreds of AI tools and some are either overhyped or unnecessary. So today we're going to go over which tools beginners should start with and which ones are best for affiliate marketing, and then actually how you use them to make money. Here's where most people go wrong. They try to use too many tools at one time. So they sign up for everything, get overwhelmed, never take action. You only need a few powerful tools to start making money with AI. I'm going to keep it simple and practical. The first tool that I'm going to talk about is ChatGPT. And if you're serious about making money online, this is the main tool. So what ChatGPT does is generates ideas, writes content, creates scripts, and it helps you plan everything. So an example, you could prompt it to write a YouTube script reviewing an AI tool for beginners. Number two is freelancing, where you offer services like creating social media posts or product descriptions for companies. And then last is digital products. And you can save hours of work by using this tool. The second tool I want to talk about is Google's Gemini. And this one is more underrated. And what Gemini can help you do is research topics, find trends, generate ideas, and improve content. Gemini you can use with affiliate marketing, more specifically for research. So you could ask, what are trending AI tools making money online? So now this is what it generated for us for the 5 trending AI tools to make money. First, we have Midjourney that allows you to generate like artwork and images. So you can use that to sell professional product mockups for e-commerce brands. 11 Labs is a AI voiceover and like dubbing platform. So you can duplicate voices to then be able to generate content. Zapier AI agents is automation. So it allows you to create AI agents to automate like tasks and things for businesses. So, like replying to emails, customer service, things like that. Framer AI is another one where it helps you build landing pages. And you can also use this as a side hustle or a small business to create websites and landing pages for businesses that don't have websites yet. And then a 5 is Runaway, which is an AI video production. And you can monetize that by creating high impact video ads for real estate agents or small businesses. And that has a good income potential as well. And then for content ideas, you could say, give me 10 ideas on AI affiliate marketing. And then you take what ChatGPT creates and refine it using Gemini. So this combo works because ChatGPT equals the creation and Gemini equals your research and improvement. So when you put them both together, they become a powerful system. Now, let's combine both of these into a real strategy. So, step one, we got to find a product. So, we're going to use Gemini to search the best AI tools, and we're going to pick one program. Next, okay, now we're in Gemini while it loads up the best AI tools with the affiliate programs. So it breaks it down into some different categories. We have marketing and content automation. So Jasper AI, Copy AI, and Surfer SEO. They all offer different commissions, and you can see the details for each one to find the best affiliate programs for you. Let's keep moving down our list to category 2, which is video and visual creation. You have InVideo AI, Cynthia, Pictory AI, and those allow you to create content like turn text to video and things like that. So they also have commission programs. And then the third category, productivity and business, you have Notion, Reclaim AI, and HubSpot. So, once again, finding AI tools that work with your industry or your niche, There are tons out here. This is just to get ideas going. And then you also have 11 Labs and Maker AI, which they say are the top AI platforms with affiliate programs. They even give you this cool little summary table where it just gives you all the important information. And then lastly, it leaves you with a pro tip just saying focus on tools that offer lifetime commissions like Surfer or Pictory versus the ones that, stop after the 12 months. Next, we're going to create our content using ChatGPT. So write a friendly YouTuber script reviewing the product that we did our research on. And step 3, we're going to turn it into content. So that could be a YouTube video, a written blog. And then step 4, add your affiliate link in the description, the comments, and the bio. And step 5 is you get paid when people use your referral link. That's when you earn your commissions. Next, I want to talk about AI design tools, because if your content doesn't get clicks, then you don't make money. So you're going to use design tools for things like your thumbnails, your social posts, and like your visual content. And this matters because better thumbnails are going to get you more clicks, and more clicks are going to lead to more income. This is where beginners win big. So what does it do? AI video software will help you create faster, and you can automate your YouTube. You can create short clips automatically from your long form videos, and you can use automations tools to help you scale and manage your workflow and save time. So why all this matters? More output equals more opportunities to earn. So you're probably thinking, which tool should I start with? Stick with a very simple plan. Pick one method, use ChatGPT and Gemini, create content daily, and then include your affiliate links. So most people think that the tools are going to equal success, but the tools don't make money. Action does. So you can watch videos like this, but nothing is going to change until you start. And I know, because I used to watch videos like this until I started and then started seeing progress. So if you're serious about making money with AI, it's simple. Start using ChatGPT, start using Gemini. And if you like this video, make sure you go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and in the next video, we're going to put all of this together so you can start earning money with AI in 2026.